A very good morning to all. So today we are going to see the exercise 3.1. Okay. So in that exercise 3.1, first question, write all the factors of the following numbers. Okay. So write all the factors. Write all the factors of the following numbers. So this is that title of this question. So I will write that question: A 24, B 15, and C 21, and D 27. So I will solve few questions. Then after you will solve the remaining question. Okay, first of all we have to know that what are the things are factors. In my last class I explained that factors. Can you remember what is meant by factor? So the factor, so I'll write here. So factor, it is nothing but a number that exactly divide. A number that exactly divide that number. Exactly. So exactly divide of that number. Okay. So under this form, so first we have to look at that problem number, the first one, A24. So how to solve? What are the factors will come for this number 24? Okay. So first one, you have to know that for 24, which are the tables it will come. Okay, which are the tables it will come. So 24. So first table it will come. No. Okay, that means 24 into 1. So that means first table it will come. Okay. So 24 into 1, 24. Okay. So next one, which are the tables next to second table? Just check it. So 24. How many 2s are 24? So 12 into 2s are 24. That means first table, second table also will come. Then third table, just check it. So how many 3s are 24? So 8 into 3s are 24. Okay. Then check on that fourth table. So 24. How many 4s are 24? So 24. 6 into 4s are 24. Okay. Next one, you have to check on that fifth table. So how many 5s are 24? So that means there is no number will come because 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. But here the given number is 24 only. So the fifth table, it will not come. Okay. So next one, sixth table. So I will check that sixth table. So 4 into 6 are, how many 6 are 24? 4 6 are 24. Okay. So next one, seventh table. I will try that seventh table. So 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. So likewise you have to say. So 3 7s are actually 21. So 4 7s are 28. So there is 24 will not come. That means seventh table, this number, the given number, it will not come. Okay. So next one, question number 8. Okay. Sorry, 8th table. Question number not 8th table. So how many 8s are 24? So 3 8s are 24. Am I right? Okay. Next one, 9th table, it will not come. And even 10th table, just try it, it will not come. That means the given number 24 will not be divided. Exactly. Next 10 and 11 and 12. So 12 it will come, right? So 2 12s are 24. So once if you getting half of that number, so what is that half of this number? Half of this number means 12. Okay, so half of this number means 12. So once if you are getting half of the number, directly you can go to the 24, that full number. So 24 into 1 we already wrote. So 1, how many 24s are 24? So 1 24s are 24. Now see students, now you have to know that, see here, so which are the tables it will come. See here, I will just encircle it. Okay, yes, here I will just encircle it. So this number, okay, so this number alone, okay, wait, I'll draw manually. So here, that 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24, so these are the tables, right? So under this table only, the 24th number, the number 24 exactly divide. Okay, so that means finally you have to write the factor of 24. Factor of 24 is, so you just write on that. So 1 2, next 3 4 6 8 12 24. So this is the given answer, students. Okay, so given not this is the answer we found. Okay, for this given question, the answer we found. Okay, so the next number, okay, so the next number is, what is the next number? So next number is 15. Am I right? So next number is 15. So we just look on that 15. How to find the factor of 15? So next question. So B. So one question is over. Just put on line, students. So don't forget that. Okay. So next, the question number, second question, 15. So find the factor of 15. So how to find? Same way, you just write that number 15 first. First you have to check on that how many 1s are 15. So how many 1s are 15? So 15 into 1s are 15. Okay. Next one, 15. Just check on that second table. So 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16, not 15. So that means second table, the given number will not be divided exactly. Next one, move on to that third table. So how many 3s are 15? How many 3s are 15? So 5 3s are 15. Next one, you just move on to that fourth table, check on it. So 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. But the given number is 15 only. That means fourth table, the given number will not be divided exactly. Okay. So fifth table. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So that means we have to write here 3 5s are 15. Next one, fourth table, it will not come, check on it. Fifth table, it will come, and sixth table, it will not come, and 7, it will not come. Okay, eighth table, it will not come. 9, no chance. 10, no. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So directly it will come 15 only. Okay, so that means 15 1s are 15. Okay, so if it is a even number means here 24, here odd number. So if it is a even number means half of the table, half of the number, the table is multiplying means go to that full number, that means whole number. Okay, but here 15, so it is an odd number. So odd number means we cannot say 7.5. 7.5, it's a decimal number. Okay, but here we are mentioning that natural numbers. Okay, students, so 15 1s are 15. So just we write the factors of 15. Factors of 15 is, so just write factors of 15. So which are the numbers it will come? So these are the numbers 1 3 5 into 15. Okay, 1 2 3 5 into 15. Okay, so 15 1s are not, we have to write 1 into 15. Okay, 1 into 15. Okay, so just write on that factors of that number 1, 3, 5 and then 15. So this is that factor of 15. Okay, so you just write on that answer is 1, 3, 5, 15. So just encircle it. Okay, so just make a box. So next question, shall we move to the next question? So next question, so before that we have to divide that two columns. Okay, so the next question is 21. Next number C, that is 21. Okay, so find the factor of 21. See, first we have to write the number 21, which is equal to, check on the first table, 21 into 1. All the numbers are, it should be divided on the first table. So 21s are 21. Next number, second table, just check on it. So 21, second table will not come because 10 2s are 20, 11 2s are 22. So third table, just check on it. So how many 3s are 21? 7 into 3s are 21. Next, check on the fourth table. So fourth table, it will not come. And the fifth table, it will not come. And sixth table, no. Okay, then seventh table, check on the seventh table, 21, which is equal to 3 into 7s are, how many 7s are 21? 3 into 7s are 21. Next, check on the eighth table. So eighth table, the given number 21 will not come. 9, no. So even 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, even 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So finally the 21th table only. Okay, so 1 into 21 only 21. So you just check on the other table. That given number 21 will not come, will not divide exactly. So now just what you have to do, so just encircle this one. So which are the numbers? 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay, so 1, 3, 7, 21. So these are the factor of 21. So finally you have to write, so the answer is, what are the numbers? 1, 3, 7, 21. So just make an encircle, make a box. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Okay, so before you are going to the next question, just put one line. Okay, so margin is very important, students. Okay, so the next question is question number D. Okay, so question D. So what is that question number D? What are they given? So D 12, sorry, not 12. So D 27. So 27. So find the factor of 27. Okay, so just look on that. So 27. So what are the tables it will come? So 27, which is equal to 27 into 1, 27. And 27, second table will not come. So third table, 9 3s are 27. And fourth table it will not come. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth table, 3 into 9s are 27. And the next one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There is no numbers will come, right? So that means directly 27 only. So 1 into 27, 27. See, just remember this. So all the numbers are, it should be divided by the one and the same number. That you have to know. And the factor is 1, 3, 9, 27. So this is the factor. So answer I will write. So 1, 3, 9, 27. Okay, this is 27. Okay. Okay, students.